Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah ta'ala wa barakatuh. Sisters and brothers, peace be upon all of you. This is your brother here, Ultimate Truth. Yes, just continuing doing whatever we can do about those lying, deceiving Christian apologetics. All of them. I mean, all of them. They will go from denying the Bible right here in this debate here. Daniel is denying the Bible, trying to twist when Jesus says, only I don't know the hour. They ask him, do you know the hour? He said, no, only the Father knows the hour. Daniel is trying to say, he's saying only the Father, so since he's a son, as a son, he does not know, but as God, he knows. That's ridiculous. But this is not a debate. This is about, again, Rob Christian. I really got two videos to make. I watched two CPs, two of his last 2 or 3 videos. I got to make a video out of it, at least 1 or 2. Just, I need time. I really need time. But I just came across yesterday a short video of Rob Christian, the ignorant, lying on Shamzi. Yes. Literally inventing, like Shamzi quoted a verse, Surah 8, verse 30. Shamzi quoted a crystal clear verse. When Allah said they be planning, that Allah is the best planner. Yamkuruna wa yamkurullah. Now, he went and quoted a different verse. He went and quoted the 354. Yes, they're scammers. Those who will try to scheme Allah, Allah is telling, yes, he's the best scammer. However you come with Allah, if you want to deceive Allah, Allah is going to deceive you. If you want to now plan against Allah, Allah will plan against you. Allah does it all. We're not ashamed of it. But don't lie. Allah says, let's get to it, man. Let's hear this coward guy talk and debunk him.
I just want to clarify something. That there is some people out there online try to lie against us and try to misquote us and try to bring conclusion based upon unclear speech of us. And Allah said, وَيَمْكُرُونَ وَيَمْكُرُ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ. They plan and Allah plan and Allah is the best of the planners. However,
liar and a deceiver. Yes, that's what you are. The people who were talking about you, they were right. They were correct about you. You are a liar and you are a deceiver. And here's why.
Okay.
Guys, he said Allah says this. What did he say? Let me repeat what he said again.
Yep.
they plan and Allah plan and Allah is the best of the planners. However, they يَمْكُرُونَ وَيَمْكُرُ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ of us. And Allah said, وَيَمْكُرُونَ وَيَمْكُرُ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ.
وَيَمْكُرُ Allah? Is that what the Quran says? No, Habib. That's not what Allah says, and it's not best of planners. So not did he lie once, he lied twice. He lied twice. It's not yamkuru. What does the Quran say? وَمَكَرُوا وَمَكَرَ اللَّهُ.
Okay.
وَمَكَرُوا وَمَكَرَ اللَّهُ. What did he say? The so-called Imam? But what does the Quran actually say? وَمَكَرُوا وَمَكَرَ. What did he say? So yes, the people were right about you because you are truly a liar. And
who the liar now but you? Who's the deceiver but you? You, the coward, Rob Abdel Christian. Let me show you how you are the biggest liar. Are you serious? You're ignorant, man. You are a pure. I mean, you are you even a human? Can you even type the It's a verse that he's quoting. The verse you just showed, which says, وَمَاكَرُوا وَمَاكَرَ اللَّهُ, it stops right there. This one, Shamzi quoted all the way. It's not 354, it's 830. Let's get to it. Let me debunk your lies. You are the deceiver, brother. Let's go to it. Oh my God. This guy is a liar, man. He's shameful. Now they're uploading, saying that Shamsi is exposed, lying. Now we're going to see who's a liar. All right, let's listen to the verse. Surah 8 Al-Anfal. Surah Al-Anfal, verse number 30. Let's listen to it. And no need to lie. This guy is a liar, a deceiver, rob Christian. Listen.
وَإِذْ يَمْكُرُ بِكَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لِيُثْبِتُوكَ أَوْ يَقْتُلُوكَ أَوْ يُخْرِجُوكَ وَيَمْكُرُونَ وَيَمْكُرُ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ.
Does it say وَيَمْكُرُونَ?
وَيَمْكُرُونَ وَيَمْكُرُ
Allah. Right?
Allahu.
Wallahu.
Wallahu khayru al-makirin.
Did you see it? Do you see it? وَيَمْكُرُونَ
وَيَمْكُرُونَ
وَيَمْكُرُ اللَّهُ
وَيَمْكُرُ
Allah.
Allahu.
Wallahu
غير
al-makirin.
الماكرين.
Now who's lying, Rob? Who's lying? He quoted that whole section of the verse. وَيَمْكُرُونَ وَيَمْكُرُ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ غَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ. Why are you lying, Rob? You're an ignorant. Let's go back to your verse. Let's go back to what you're saying. Oh my God.
You call yourself an imam and you can't even recite the Quran of Allah properly? Isn't it haram to recite the Quran of Allah
this guy
in a wrong
is a
way?
deceiver.
Yes, it is. And you claim to know Arabic, Mr. Samshi, Shushu. Shame on you.
Shame on you, Rob.
Shame on you for lying.
Shit, you're
and
the
now
liar.
I'm going to show you guys that Makr is not the best of planners or planner.
He never,
as he said earlier.
he never translated
Now I'm going to show
Makarabi.
you
Yamkuruna.
that
He
it's a
told you Yamkuruna wa Yamkuru
evil
Allahu.
thing, an evil act to do Makr. Watch. So as you see, I looked up 3 different translations for the same ayah.
Of the wrong verse. No, that's not the same ayah. You're a liar. You're a liar.
It says, and they schemed, and Allah schemed.
Yes.
And Allah
in
is
this
the
verse.
most charitable of schemers.
Yes.
From Abdel Halim.
Yes.
The disbelievers schemed.
You're not running away from it. However you want to come to Allah, you come good, you get good. You come bad, you get bad, brother. Just like you doing it to us. You come good, you get good.
And Allah countered their schemes
What a coward.
by schemes of His own.
Oh my God.
Allah is the best of schemers.
Wrong verse.
So, as you see, scheming.
Wrong verse,
we
brother.
Know why? Because Allah is Satan.
Wrong verse. Satan is you.
So, of course, He's going to be
Satan is
the best
you.
of schemers.
Satan is you, Rob. Quoting
you know,
the wrong verse, Rob. 354. He never told you 354. He quoted 830.
And even Abu Bakr, the first caliph of Islam,
said,
even with one foot in Jannah, I still feel the makr, which means deception, of Allah.
Anyone deceives Allah.
Even with one foot in Jannah,
if he does not deceive Allah, there is no fear. If you deceive Allah, yes. If you try to scheme Allah, Allah will show you that He's the best schemer. Oh yeah. If you do good though, if you're righteous, you'll be having good. I'm telling you, you do good, you get good. You do bad, you get bad. That's it. Makuruna wa makar Allahu or yamkuruna wa yamkurullah. Both verses are in there. You quoted, you said there's no yamkuruna. He quoted you. Yamkuruna wa yamkurullahu wallahu ghayrul makirin. He quoted you exactly the verse and you lied about it. Rob, you're a liar. You're a liar, Rob.
Even recite the Quran properly. And on top of that, yes, he is a liar and a deceiver.
Allah said, وَيَمْكُرُونَ وَيَمْكُرُ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ.
So yes, Rob, Christian, Abdel, liar, you are the deceiver. You are the liar. You are the one fabricating. You are the one denying verses in the Quran, reading the wrong verses, deceiving people. Let's listen to it for, you just heard Shamzi quote that verse. We're going to quote it one more time. He quoted that last sentence of that verse right here. You can read it. But they plan and Allah plans. But they plan and Allah plans. And Allah is the best of the planners. He's the best of planners. Let's listen to it first. But at the beginning, the Shamzi, the verse says, oh, remember. And remember, oh Muhammad, when those who disbelieve plotted against you and restrain you or kill you or evict you from Mecca. But they plan and Allah plans. And Allah is the best of planners. Let's listen to it for the last time. So the Rob, Christian liar, Christian printer liars, all of you, you're all the same. You don't know the Quran, you don't know the Bible, you lie, or even if you do know, you will be lying. If you know the verse, you will be lying about it.
وَإِذْ يَمْكُرُ بِكَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لِيُثْبِتُوكَ أَوْ يَقْتُلُوكَ أَوْ يُخْرِجُوكَ وَيَمْكُرُونَ وَيَمْكُرُ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ.
Sadaqallahu al-Azim. Rob, you exposed. You are fabricator. Did you see it? What is this? وَيَمْكُرُونَ.
وَيَمْكُرُونَ.
What is this?
وَيَمْكُرُ.
Allahu.
Allahu.
So, is that here? وَمَاكُرُونَ? وَمَاكَرَ اللَّهُ? No.
وَيَمْكُرُونَ.
وَيَمْكُرُ اللَّهُ.
Allahu.
Okay. Salamun alaikum wa rahmatullah. Rob, Christian, you're a liar, you're a deceiver. Who is lying now? Is it you or Shamzi? No, you're a damn liar. Salamun alaikum wa rahmatullah wa ta'ala wa barakatuh. Yeah, keep planning. We're showing you here. You see how you're planning? You see how Allah is the best planner? You see how Christians are planning? You see how Allah is bringing another plan to destroy you? That's exactly how it's going to happen. Exactly. Keep doing it. We're ready, brother. Keep lying.